Hello, good evening all. So I hope I'm audible to all. If
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
any disturbance or anything, so I request you to please rejoin again. So we'll start the session. So just 1 to 2 more minutes, because others also joining. So then we proceed with the session. Uh, yes, Ankit, you want to ask something? All right, so let's start the session. Then others will join in between. So thank you so much for joining the session. Uh, my name is Subir Singh, and I'm going to be your coach or mentor during this internship program. So I'll discuss with you about my profile and what I'm doing in this project. So this whole project name is called PredictRAM, and we'll discuss in detail. So I'll finish with few slides first, and then we'll go ahead with the Q&As, and any queries if you have, we'll take it uh, on the last session of this meeting. So yeah, so let's begin with this. So let's start with the what exactly the PredictRAM is. So I'll give you the brief overview of PredictRAM. Uh, PredictRAM is SEBI registered research analyst firm, and we recently received this certification from SEBI. As you know, SEBI is the regulator for uh, uh, financial markets as well as capital market and other instruments that we have. And we also incubated with IIT Kanpur and 1080 F10 Singapore. And we are basically financial analytical company or fintech company driving AI and machine learning model, risk analytics, and tokenized portfolio insights. Our core offering and technology is, of course, as I told you, that we are using some machine learning models for the better risk management solutions. And we are doing this from last, you can say, 3.5 or 4 years. And previously, we conducted few batches, and I hope many of you already joined from the previous batches also. And our mission is to redefine financial research and risk analytics and asset management by reducing uncertainty and accelerating informed capital deployment through explainable AI and synthetic scenario modeling, collaborative intelligence, machine learning models, and so forth. So our vision is to provide integrated research automation. Of course, our main focus is risk management and market validated platform that empowers professionals as well as students while embedding compliance, governance, and of course, intellectual property defensibilities. So here you're going to submit your research reports first. This is what your first task, and we'll discuss in detail during these slides. So let's talk about the team first. So I am Subir Singh. My name is Subir Singh, and I'm a financial market professional. So I spent more than approximately 13, 14 years in this market. I was previously associated with Kotak Group. I was managing portfolios over there. So I also do have some coding skills with me, and I'm also IIT Kanpur fellow researcher, and uh, we also developed few portfolio risk mitigation technology using AI and tokenizations, and it's already published patent. Shital Maurya, other team member, professor in Delhi University. She is currently in the Lady Shri Raj College of Commerce as a professor and author of several research papers on finance and econometrics. CFA US candidate, and she also a whole-time member of Indian Accounting Association. Another member, we have Ayush. Ayush is a founder of CodeMate. He's a technical guy and ex-Twitter, and also uh, your story top 30, featured on top 30, Tech 30 magazine. So this is our tech team: Dr. Charles, Arnab, Rohit, Ankan, Prabal, and others. And now here is our advisory board and mentors. Mr. Alok Bansal, he's a vice president of PB FinTech. If you heard this name, Policy Bazaar, he's on board with us as an advisory board. Mr. Ajay Kumar Surana, ex-director, Moody's Analytics. It's a rating agency. Mr. Dinesh Arora from Dena Bank, Mr. Amit Tyagi from ISB, Mr. Saurav Agarwal from ex-VP of TRISL. Again, it's a rating agency, and of course, venture capital Aditya Arora. He's from venture capital firm. So next, discuss in detail what exactly. I'll give you the proper brief overview about the dashboard. And for dashboard link, of course, we are going to send this link to you by Monday. And because we are finishing with some integrations and other stuff with this recent dashboard. And this talent hunt platform architecture is something in which, of course, you have to submit your reports. And those who already did internships with us, they know that what exactly the tasks are. And of course, we're going to, keep this research report submission as a key KPI for you for this internship or training program. And we analyze your performance based on various parameters, of course, based on this research report. So, of course, this whole platform is the structure identity for your specializations and competency. We integrated report intelligence scoring system into it. I'll show you this later. Backtesting engine we have, because of course you have to include some stocks into it, and we backtest all these reports. Skill modules we integrated here in this new integrated dashboard, so that you can learn some coding skills from your own research reports. I'll explain you later in the next slides, next few slides. Of course, we integrated some compliance layer. So you have to follow all these compliance, SEBI compliance, as well as some RBI compliance also, while preparing all these and submitting all these research reports. You have to add all these disclosures, and many other parameters or compliance parameters into your report, and it generates scores for you. And of course, opportunity. This is going to be an opportunity hub for you, because we provide PPOs as well as some other opportunities for you after you finish with this. And Of course, we connect directly with you, some companies and some partner companies for your placements, for your jobs and others. And yeah, so let's move on to the next slide. So these are data models that we have, and of course, profile fields, uh, some authentic and mapping we already integrated, and I'll show you the live demo of all these features that we integrated. Uh, just give me a second. Let me add few more candidates, then we'll proceed further. Yeah. So here is performance analytics stack. Of course, we generate score out of your reports based on a report quality, predictive power, of course, timeliness, and compliance score. And these are scoring dimensions that we analyzing uh, predictive power, accuracy of your whole research reports, originality, of course, transparency, risk disclosure, and other uh, parameters. We integrated some back testing layers into it. We automatically fetch a few information from your reports and back test it by using some models, and then of course we it generates score out of all these parameters. And of course risk compliance by SEBI mapping disclosure enforcements. uh, Plagiarism detection is one more parameter we integrated with this. And yeah, so let's move on to the next. So these are few links. I'll show you all these links to you, that how you can go ahead and use this whole dashboard, and so that you can submit your research report and enhance your skills. So we analyze all these research reports, we score compliance score, quality scores, and of course, how much alpha generated out of your reports. We created this leader dashboard, and of course, we provide some incentives or some better connections for groups to engage based on your leaderboard. So now skills and compliance tracking that we integrated in this, of course, sector deep dives, DCFs, risk modeling like VAR, scenario stress testings, and others. Uh, all those parameters I've already discussed with you. Um, so now what next step is that let me directly jump into the dashboard. And again, let me tell you that I'm going to give you the link for this dashboard, registration link on Monday. So Monday onwards, you have to register yourself and start using this new dashboard and submit your research reports. So this is what your research report will be look like. And just go to this reports hub. Just go to your research reports hub, and then you will redirect to. Just hold on. Give me a second. Let me. Just hold on, guys. I guess some network issue I have. Just give me a second. Okay. Yeah, it's resolved, I guess. Yeah, I hope you can see my screen. Yeah. So just come to your dashboard. So your dashboard will look like this, and all these research reports already submitted here. So just go to analyze new report. It's a demo analyst account, and you have to select for which topic or your report type. So just select here. So I'm just copying one report out of it. So just give me a second. Yeah. So I'm just copying one research report from existing database that we have, and it's on Infosys, right? So the topic is, let's say, Infosys, and you can give any uh, topic and just submit it. And you have to include various parameters into it. And yeah, so here is what the report you submitted. And from here onwards, you can analyze all these parameters like factual accuracy, predictive power. I explain you each and every point. Uh, Bias score, originality, of course, risk disclosure and transparency. And we also detecting whether this report is copied or not, because we integrated some tools into it so that we analyze. So as I told that I've copied from the existing report, so it will generate score out of it. So it's a 56.3% similarity with the other reports. And you can check also that who submitted first this report, right? So these are small tools that we integrated. Now just come to this enhanced analysis. So the report we submitted, it will automatically tells you about your report, that what needs to be improved in the next report. So as you can see here, total 3 flags are there, which is of course medium and low, and category as timeline, content depth, and ESG coverage. I hope you all know ESG, what exactly the ESG is, right? So now let's move on to the next analysis parameter. This is your overview. Geopolitical risk, of course, we analyzing each and every parameters uh, out of your report only. Your quality, the stock you selected, Infosys, what is the quality of that particular stock? And let me show you the back-tested result of your report. This is what the stock we selected, and it will automatically fetch all these information and give you the back-testing result of your own report. Now let's move on to next few skills. Yeah, so these are detailed quality matrix, financial depth coverage, technical analysis if you're including all these parameters. And of course, here are some SEBI compliance analysis. And this is, of course, one of the most important parameter within your report. So you have to cover all these information in your report. And we're going to now onwards, we're going to conduct various sessions on a weekly basis every Saturday, in which we discuss each and every parameter, or maybe topics, or maybe any feature that we have into this. So of course you have to include SEBI registration. We'll give you what exactly the number of what's the SEBI registration number. Conflict of interest you have to add, and many other parameters. I'm not going one by one into it. Yeah. So action item required. Of course, immediate requirement is these parameters. So you can click and check and see what lacking in your report so that you can improve in your next report. And all these information fetched from your own report. Yep. So now let's move on to next feature of from your own reports. It's all these information of your reports only. Now let's come to this learning, skill learning analysis. So we included 3 skill learning modules into this. First is of course Python, second is SQL, and third is AI/ML. So what exactly, how you can, why this is a skill learning analysis? Because it will automatically fetch few information from your own report. So I added these information, fundamental analysis table for, of course, Infosys, Infy. And this is what the statement is. This is my statement in the report, right? And again, 4% consistent operating efficiency EPS, earning per share is 69 rupees, right? Again, it's within the report. So it will show you how you can convert all these text analysis into the Python code, so that you can learn from your own report that how all these information or these parameters calculated by using Python. I know it's quite complicated, but I'll try to keep it very simple. Uh, First is again Python. Second is SQL. I hope you all know SQL, what exactly the SQL is, right? So again, it's I guess, sorry, yeah. So now let's move on to this skill module, in which it will explain you, of course, from your own report, so that you can learn all this. Right, and rate whether your understanding is good in this whole topic or not, and mark as complete or mark as pending. You can rate all these things. It will automatically save in your profile. I'll show you your profile also. So as I mentioned that it's completed. Now this is technical analysis. This is stock. This is buy recommendation. So see how you can fetch all these information. So by default we are using Yahoo Finance. and this is Infosys. And Chaitanya, if you can please add others also, yeah, because it's quite. Uh,
Oh, actually, sir, I think there was some problem. I was unable to log in and then add and in fact join the meeting.
okay, okay, okay. Just hold on. If you can try incognito or private window,
Incognito.
huh,
Okay, I'll
try
try that.
to, please try because I guess already many requests are there. So I
Okay,
have
okay.
to stop the session. Otherwise, not to stop the session, but if you can add some people, no?
Sure, just I'll try. I'll try.
Sure, sure. Let me know if you face any issue. Yep. So here is all these parameters, technical analysis, of course, and I hope all of you know what technical analysis are. So it will provide you each and every information of your own report, fetch all these information and tells you that how you can see it's only text here. It's only text. This is my buy recommendation. It will tells you how you can convert this whole scenario into a Python code generated, you know, and so that you can generate a proper overbought, oversold, or neutral calls by using Python, right? Because we built this for non-coders, not for coders. But if you have your coding skills, then of course you can helps us to improve this whole dashboard. So first was Python. Second is this SQL. So why we included SQL? Maybe we'll discuss in maybe next few sessions why we included SQL. So here is SQL. This is again your own report. This is how you can convert your report into how you can learn SQL from your own report. This is what the whole code is, right? And the last is AI/ML, machine learning model. I think so. Everyone know what AI is, right? So how you can generate and learn AI from your own report, right? So this is what recommendation is. 12-month target is 750, and so all these, and then here is it's a machine learning model. It's a linear regression. By using linear regression, so this is it's a random data of stock sample data, of course. So you can integrate if you want some real-time data, and it tells you how you can generate sentiment out of it. If the score is so and so, then it's bullish. If the score is so and so, then it's bearish, right? And you can mark and you can proceed further. So now here is what your dashboard again. It's a demo analyst. So total 4 skills are there. Python skills are 3, and which I already marked. SQL skill is 1, and AI/ML is 0 because I didn't mark anything. So let me mark this. Uh, let's say 5. All right. Yeah. So now I marked it. So now AI/ML skill is generated for me. So if you want, you can you can revise again which module or skill is pending. So far I analyzed and learned financial trend analysis. I learned from my own report, and what my report was, it's a text report on TCS. Sorry, Infosys. The report was Infosys, right? So these are again, let me directly come to the point. Uh, of course, we analyzing so many parameters, so you are free to use any chat GPT or any AI assistance for generating report, but still you have to modify all these research reports. We also detecting this AI generated reports. So as I told you, I copied it. So that's why it's showing it's a 90% probability that this report was generated from some GPT or something. So it's not restricted to take assistance from any of the AI. Use it, right? But at least modify something within your report. So the whole scenario is to give you the overview about the concept of the any specific stock or maybe any specific market event. Uh, your understanding about the report, you have to add information. You can fetch information by using AI, but you have to add your own analysis into it with proper, disclosures and proper uh, due diligence and other things, right? So, what I'm assuming that you are now well enough uh, qualified with machine learning models, AI, and ML. So I don't want to go deep into the next things that I'm explaining it to you now. So we are now, of course, once you trained enough, we give you this Visual Studio Terminal, VS Terminal, to use so that you can submit your machine learning models, right? So let me show you here. It's a simple DCF model. Just submit this DCF model. If this I'm just giving you an example for DCF model. It can be anything related to trading, related to investment, related to any algorithms or algo. We are here. If your code is good enough, we are here to sell your model directly to HNIs and retail investors. Clear to all? So please give me a second. I'll take each and every question. Just give me a second. Let me briefly explain you what exactly your um, things to do during this training program. And this dashboard is free for all, right? So I request you all to share with your friends, those who are planning to start their career in financial analytics. And trust me, it's a very interesting industry. If you have two combinations, finance and coding, right? If you have finance and coding skills with you, then this is the industry, very interesting industry for you, right? So you have lots and lots of opportunities. So our target is to, give you this a platform so that you can become a coder, right? And build some code, which basically we call this as a risk management, basically, right? So risk management cannot be possible by using Excel. You have to have at least some coding skill, especially in Python and SQL. If you are applying for any big companies like Morgan Stanley, JP Morgan, Goldman Sachs, or many others, right? So they have, so that's why I included these three skills: Python, SQL, and AIM, right? So it's absolutely free. If you want to use this platform for long, it's absolutely free for now, at least, right? So it will give you learnings. It will give you to enhance your skill in finance, right? And many other features we have, almost, I would say 20 to 25 other features we have in this. We'll discuss in detail in next few weeks, right? So I'm not going to explain you each and everything here. So for your task point of view, so if you don't know what exactly the reports need to be submit and all, just go to this research task management again from here, right? It's a research task from your dashboard. It will give you, just go down and it will give you which reports need to be submitted. So these are upcoming events: WPI and Fed interest rate. Uh, are you sure it's okay? So it's interest rate decisions. So just click here and start submitting your report. And please don't, this is for your understanding, and this is for your assistance. Please don't make it कि ऐसा है ऐसे का ऐसे ही check दो, right? Please add something with proper disclosures, which stocks are going to be impact the most, with target price, proper methodology, and of course the proper guidance as well as risk disclosures, right, and submit it. This is the only thing you need to do during this internship talent hunt program. And why this is talent hunt? Because it's a worldwide, you can say, because we do have many interns with us from various global universities also. And of course, we are finding some good talent, those who going to help us to manage risks of our ultra HNI and super HNI clients. And of course, uh, we need skills. So these parameters are here to find your. We basically looking for best candidates. Got it? So let me show you here also that yeah. So this is your leaderboard, and based on this leaderboard, we analyze who is you know, um, the quality score, composite score, predictive power. So we'll one by one we will take all these topics in the next few sessions, weekly sessions, and yeah. So that's all from my side right now. So you just please, if you have any query, you can please ask. You can raise your hand because I can see that so many uh, candidates already joined. And yes, it's a Debayan. Sorry.
Yeah, right, sir.
Yes,
Good
yes,
evening.
Debayan. So I
Good
hope I
evening, sir.
pronounced perfectly.
Yeah, yeah, right, right.
Okay,
Yes,
okay.
yes,
Yes,
sir.
please go on.
So I wanted to know,
Uh-huh.
this is basically a formal internship program, right?
Correct, correct.
When will it be starting from?
So we'll start from Monday onwards, right? And
This Monday, coming Monday,
correct,
right?
correct, correct. So I'll do one thing because, of course, if you're starting this internship program, so many of you require the, um, internship letters, right? This is what
Right.
your concern is, right? So I'll
Right.
first of all I'll create one group. Most probably the group, it's a private group, is going to be on Telegram. So in
Okay,
this
sir, that will be
Telegram,
great.
yeah. So in this Telegram group, we're going to discuss each and everything, technical issue, any topic related issue, we'll discuss
Sure,
closely. My team will assist you
sure.
within this, and we create this Telegram group. Then I'll shoot a mail with the Google form, those who already started their internships, right? And you
Right.
will receive your internship not certificates, but this letters. Because
Offer letters, yeah.
I don't want to show you the certificate generation also, because it's everything is automated here,
Okay, sir.
right?
Great.
So let's say you spend almost 2 to 3 months. Now you required internship certificate, right?
Right,
And
right, right.
you can directly go to this dashboard. I'll show you stepwise process in next few weeks. Just go to your dashboard, click on certificate request. Of course, after approval, you can generate your certificate with all the credentials automatically,
Sure.
right?
Can you provide some point of contact to stay in touch after this meeting?
Sorry, point of contact for
So that we can stay in touch after this meeting
uh,
ends.
definitely. I'm just putting my number here. So this is my
Yes,
direct
yes.
number. So do get in touch with me for any issue or anything. And please do not entertain any email out of predictram.com and predictram.in, because many scams are happening that you will receive some email from XYZ email address by naming me, right?
Okay,
Please
sir.
do
All
not
right.
entertain any email. My personal email address is subir@predictram.com and predictram.in, right?
Noted,
Do
sir.
not entertain any of the email. So now, I hope I answered all your query.
Sir, one last thing I would like to
Yes.
ask. Is there any prerequisite for this program?
We'll discuss. We'll discuss. I'll send it to you. Yes, we do have. Just hold on. Let me send you this. Uh, I think this is. Otherwise, we'll send you all the contents related prerequisites. Just hold on. Let me send. Okay, so I'll send you this email after the session in which we
Okay, sir.
explain each and everything to
Sure.
you. So here is uh, what you can check. Proper. Just hold on. Give me a second. I guess yeah. So here is the link. You just go and check. You will find uh, uh, almost everything in this.
Thank you, sir.
Sorry, yaar, it's a wrong link. This is, this is not the link. It requires login. I'll send you over the email here. I'll send you over the email.
Sure, sir. Sure, sure.
Right.
Don't sweat it.
Sure.
Sure.
Right. Yeah. Yes, please. So now let's move on to. I take this. Uh, I guess Tushar. Yes, please go on. So many.
Hi, good evening, Subir.
Yeah.
I
Good
was
evening, Tushar.
curious to know that
Uh-huh.
you will be guiding us to make the reports, or we have to work it out on ourselves in the pathway of getting the reports done.
See, you have to do it on your own, now, because I already told you that, of course, if you have any confusion or anything, now you just go to this task management. You will find for which topic. Otherwise, you can submit any report, any number of report. There is no restriction.
Means on a single topic we can submit 2 or 3 reports also.
Of course, you can. Let's say so. These are the reports type you need to cover it. Whether it is equity research, whether it is sectoral analysis, thematic reports, company updates also. So it's up to you.
And will be there some stipend, or is it unpaid?
This is unpaid, but stipend will start the stipend after 3 months for selected candidates only.
Okay,
Right.
based on
So
the
PPO,
performances and all.
exactly, based on the performances, because we're going to give you some clients. Of course, once you are qualified enough to handle clients, right? Secondly, we do have some partner companies with us, and we will assist you to get your jobs in these companies. And these are related to finance and research, no sales.
Okay. One more last thing.
Mhm.
It will be full time, or we have to submit by our own schedule
Remote,
reports over the.
it's totally remote. It's up to you. See, we already given you dashboard. We have already given you this opportunity. Now it's your, understanding, or you can say how you grab this opportunity. Now it's up to you. There is no restriction. There is no time bound restrictions and good.
Okay, and the reviews will be done on the weekly basis, or at the end of the month.
What
How
reviews?
reviews of the reports we will be submitting on the portal.
It's instant. It's instant.
Okay.
It's instant.
Okay. Thanks.
Yeah. Thank you. Yes. Now let's move on to the next. Uh, Sharat. Uh, Sharat Gitika. If you can.
Uh,
Yep.
yes, sir. I think my question was semi-answered just now that
Mhm.
the dashboard is gonna give us most of the assistance
Correct.
with how the report should be. And the coding part also,
Mhm.
my question is like while you were showing, there was brief mention of how the analysis or the values that were mentioned in a report, how we can generate it via a code as well. So is
Correct.
that all the mention of it going to be? I mean, regarding the code?
Uh, Regarding the code, if you can please, elaborate your question. You
Okay.
have, yep.
So, so what I wanted to ask is,
Mm.
for me, especially, I am not well versed or do not hold a lot of exposure regarding coding
Correct.
in this aspect.
Mhm.
So here I just got a glimpse of how it looks. My question is, are
Mm.
we going to be given further assistance on how we can code, or based on this available code, are we
Mm.
to learn it and any queries reaching out via the medium provided?
See, for this, I guess, uh, let's say, so we'll discuss all these, topics. Of course, many of you are from the non-coding background, right? Uh, so actually, this is not a problem. Actually, it's a good thing. We don't want coders into this whole talent hunt. We need a financial analyst. See, either you have any one skill, either you have your good base with finance or economics, or either you have your good skill with only coding. If it's only coding, then we will train you for finance. If you have only finance skills or economic skills, then we train you for the coding, right? So don't worry. See, I've already given you one example. So what I suggest, what my personal recommendation into it, he just draft simple report, very simple report, right? Submit this report because there is no restriction for submitting reports. We are not charging anything for submitting reports and all. But yes, we do have some restriction that we are giving some limited time per day per user, right? Limited time is might be, you can say, half an hour or maybe 45 minutes only per day, just because
Yes,
of
understood.
server loads and all. I hope you understand. So just prepare very simple report. Just go to this learning skill and start learning from basic. I don't think so you required any other stuff or any other tutorial to learn this coding.
All right, sir. Understood. Thank you. That is
Yeah.
all from my side.
Sir, how many reports we have to make in a week or a day?
It's up to you. It's totally up to you that if you want to submit 10 reports a month, if you want to submit 100 reports, it's totally up to you. It reflects on your you know on your performance, of course. So it's up to you. There is no restriction. There is no upper limit or lower limit, right? So let's move on to next, Vaibhav.
Hello.
Uh,
Hi,
yes,
Subir.
yes, Vaibhav. Hi, Vaibhav. Yep.
Subir, my query is that I don't have any uh, prior knowledge about how equity research reports are made or
Uh-huh.
coding.
Uh-huh. Hmm.
So, can I still pursue this internship? And I mean, here on the platform, do we have? I mean, is there way to learn how to prepare reports also?
So what's your skill? So what's your background, Vaibhav? If you can explain a bit.
Commerce background.
Commerce background.
Yes.
Okay, so you already completed your graduation.
Yes.
Okay, so then why you saying that you don't have equity background also?
No, I do have, I mean, I have knowledge, but I don't know how to prepare a report.
Okay, see, you understand what revenues are.
Yes.
You can, I would not say to read the balance sheet, but you understand what balance sheets are.
Yes.
That is enough.
Okay.
That is enough. So based on, see, of course, you understand what equities are, right? And
Yes. Yes.
uh, what I'm assuming that I don't need to explain you what inflation, how to calculate inflation. and what inflation is. You understand all these,
Yes.
right? No? So that is enough to participate on this talent hunt or internship program. That is enough.
Okay.
So,
Thank you.
yeah, yes. So now let's move on to the next quickly. Simiran, Mohapatra, if you can please unmute yourself and ask. Okay, now let's.
Sir, can you send us the demo report also?
Yeah, demo report. I'll send you. Yeah, I tried to send you, but I don't think so. Yeah, demo report is required. But yeah, okay, I'll send it to you. I'll
Am
send
I
it.
audible?
Yes, yes, Similar. Yep.
Yeah.
Please go.
Actually, when I had gone through the details about the internship when it was posted on LinkedIn, it was
Uh-huh.
saying that it's a paid internship and
Uh-huh.
the duration would be 2 to 3 months. So
Okay.
actually, I'll just elaborate about myself. I am currently pursuing MBA Finance and I come from a coding background as well. I
Mm-hmm.
have studied equity research before this in my prior semesters. And also qualified the NISM XV, Research Analyst examination. So is there
Okay.
any sort of option where you could interview me and then you could convert this into a paid internship? Because that's
See, as I told Simran that of course it's a training program, and based on the performances, of course we provide PPOs after 3 months.
right. But the description mentioned that this is a paid internship, and now you mentioned that for 3 months it's unpaid, and then after that PPOs are provided. So it's just not going well with the description that was provided.
See, I don't know whether it's a communication gap or something, right? It's clearly mentioned over there. It's a talent hunt, right? Of course,
Mm.
if you can please open this. I hope you filled the Google form,
I did.
right? Hello.
Yeah, I did.
Yes, you fill the Google form. And in this Google form, it's clearly mentioned it's a talent hunt. We are finding the best research analyst in country, right? So we
Right.
have not mentioned anything that we are going to give you 50,000 from day one.
No, it's not written that you will provide, like, no amount was quoted, but here in employment type, it was mentioned internship and in
Uh-huh.
like passive, it was
But
mentioned
it's
paid
a
with PPO
correct,
opportunities.
correct,
Right.
correct. Paid internship is something. It's a selection through the selection process. If you can check, it's a selection process. Your journey with us, we're going to analyze the highest score reports. It's clearly mentioned. Then you will be offered a paid internship with PredictRAM or offered the PPO, the pre-placement offers in our partner companies. It's clearly mentioned. You can check this. If, I request you to please go again with this, uh, the form we shared with you, the form you filled now. It's
Right.
clearly mentioned.
Okay.
So there is nothing that we are, doing something fishy in this whole internship or training program.
Okay.
Sir, so how many students will be selected after this training program?
There is no limit. It can be maybe 10, maybe 50, maybe 40, 30. It depends on school. It depends on school.
And then what will be the expected PPO? Like,
I would say expected PPO is going to be 10 to 15,000. What the partner companies offer, and this is on for research only and internship. It's not a full time, of course. Once you placed uh, with some other companies, the partner companies, so they already getting maybe 5 lakh or 6 lakh rupees package. So now let's move with Shweta. Yes, Shweta. Okay. So now let's move on with Kabir. Kabir Singh.
Yeah, hello sir, am I audible?
Hi. Yes, yes, yep.
Sir, I just wanted to ask what would be like the minimum requirement to get the certificate? Like, is it performance based or?
Performance, of course, yeah, performance is going to be there. So we have
Hello.
not, sorry. Yes, yes. Yep.
Uh, Hello.
Shweta, uh, hello. Yes,
Hello.
Shweta, I'll
Yes,
just,
sir.
Shweta, let me finish with uh, Kabir and then move on to you.
O-
Yep.
Okay.
Yep. Yes, Kabir. So currently there is no such criteria, but of course, you have to at least, because we have to mention some thing on your certificates that you performed so and so things. So make sure that you utilize it perfectly.
Okay, so like there is no fixed bar, but it is performance based.
Correct,
Okay.
correct, correct.
Thank you.
Yeah. Yes, Shweta, please unmute and please go ahead.
So, will we get a training on equity research report?
Uh, there is no such reports. But what's your background, Shweta? You are from finance background.
Yes, but I have done only means I don't have experience in equity.
Okay. Not to worry. As I told that we're going to conduct some sessions on a weekly basis. So we'll cover this topic. And then, of course, we'll take maybe equity if someone is interested in investment banking or all these topics. So we'll definitely cover. Don't worry.
Sure. Thank you.
Hmm. So now let's move on to next. Vishal.
Oh, hi, Subir sir. I'm
Hi.
audible.
Yes, Vishal.
Suppose someone who has a technical research background, who is completely into technical analysis, okay?
Mm-hmm.
So how like he will get fit into this? Does it require fundamental compulsory?
No, it's not compulsory, but at least it's not compulsory, but at least you have some basics of
Yeah,
fundamental.
basics can be done. Basics
Of
can
course, you can.
because like I run a relative strength model.
Mhm.
Okay, I do the sector research. Then from the sector
Mhm.
research, I pick the top stocks
Okay.
based on technical analysis.
Okay.
So like that can be work in this, right?
Of course, that will work.
Okay,
For
okay.
sure.
And I will love to connect with you personally for a 5 to 10 minute talk. Okay.
Sure. Not to worry.
Thank you so
Sure.
much, sir.
Thank you. Yes, Ashu, Ja, if you can please go ahead.
Hello.
Hello. Yep.
Am I audible?
Yes, perfectly audible.
Sir, I have two questions.
Mhm.
Can I upload a DCF model? I have prepared a DCF model myself and
Mhm.
ratio analysis and valuation metrics. Can I
Mhm.
upload that too?
It's up to you.
Okay.
It's up to you. If you want, yes, you can. And you can also.
My DCF model is prepared in Excel. So
Mhm.
how can I upload it here?
See, currently we don't support Excel for this. And for DCF model, I don't know what exactly, why you want to upload DCF.
And you just showed us an example of DCF. That's why I asked. I know
Okay.
how to prepare a equity research report.
Mhm.
And you also mentioned that I can also take help from ChatGPT or other AIs. So that's pretty much easy. But yeah, I want to ask if there are other things I can also upload.
See, if you already using some ChatGPT or AI, so I would recommend convert this DCF into Python and then upload.
I mean, I can just give it to ChatGPT and he'll and ask him to convert it into Python. Then I can paste it here.
See, Ashu, the thing is, currently what we have, you know, majority of investors, because now we are serving to investors also, and we are about to start some promotions. We are going to sell these reports, and we officially can sell all these investment reports to HNIs, super HNIs, and might be some companies, right?
Okay.
So It's up to you whether you want to submit a proper DCF report or the simple, let's say some Reliance simple analysis report,
Yeah.
technical report. So it's totally up to you. So I would not recommend ki nahi yaar, you just submit your simple reports,
Okay, fine.
right? So the
And
skill you have, you can.
sorry. Okay. And my other question is, let's say I have submitted the report I have given time for this for 1 and 2 months, and somehow I don't get selected. Somehow, let's say. So, was everything will be in vain? I mean, will I get a certificate or some kind of proof that I worked here and
Correct.
something
You
like
will
that?
get. You will get. Everyone will get certificates. So there is no restriction. Everyone will get this
And
certificate.
I don't care about the paid thing, but still I have this to ask. Let's say I get selected, okay,
Mhm.
and there was something also mentioned in the LinkedIn. On the LinkedIn, I applied from there. Something like PPO, pre-placement offers.
Correct.
So we'll be getting the offers after we get selected for the internship, right?
Correct.
This is a talent hunt.
Correct.
And we are competing to get selected for the internship.
Correct.
Oh, okay, so thank you.
Yeah. All right. Thank you. Pulkit.
Hello.
Yes, Pulkit. Yeah.
Yes, sir. I was asking that how much time should we devote for this preparation of research report?
See, it's totally up to you. So there is no time limit or something into it.
Sir,
It's totally.
actually, the point is that we will be spending 3 months over here.
Mhm.
So, what are you expecting in return? Matlab, if we prepare one research report, that it will not be appropriate now. So, how is it going to be structured? That is what I am going to ask.
See, it's totally up to you. We are going to, of course, track how many reports you submitted, right? How much time you devoted, as well as what exactly your skills are, right? So that, see, how we hire you, why we hire you basically, right now? What skills you have? Do you understand the proper, financial analytics? Which sector you have your stronghold, right? So if you are submitting only one report, how will we analyze?
Yes, sir. So I'm not getting a structure that how much time should we devote, how much research report we have
See,
to prepare.
report submission, as well as how much time you have to spend. It's totally up to you. We are not bounding you for anything. Ki you spend at least 4 hours a day, then you will got selected. It's not like that, right now. Even if you're spending only 4 minutes a day for preparing reports and submitting good reports, then it is enough for us.
And over a period of 3 months, how much report should one person submit?
Again, I'm not going to mention any number. Sorry. It's totally up to you. It's a totally up to you. No restrictions, no time boundation, nothing. Because previously we did some time boundation things. But now current in this new structure, we don't have any time boundations.
Sir, let me address.
Please.
Hi people, I'm Chaitanya this side. Actually, मैं यहाँ पे खुद इंटर्नशिप किया था नवंबर 2024 में, and now I'm लगभग 1 साल होने वाला है कनेक्टेड हुआ है PredictRAM के साथ. तो जो बेसिक कंसर्न्स आपके मैं देख रहा हूँ मोस्टली चैटबॉट में भी हैं और काफी सारे क्वेश्चंस कॉमन आ रखे हैं. तो कंसर्न देखिए ये आता है, मैं बताता हूँ. I joined PredictRAM, I connected with them when it was not a SEBI registered firm. Now it is a SEBI registered firm. We have a complete, authenticity and credibility to do what we are actually doing right now. And इसमें जो बताता हूँ आपके रिसर्च रिपोर्ट से जो कंसर्न है, I personally मैंने यहाँ पे 12 से 15 रिपोर्ट बनाई थी over a period of 3 months. And अब आप सब देख रहे हैं मैं यहाँ पे खुद ही कनेक्टेड हूँ यहाँ पर सबसे 1 साल होने वाला है. So basically, what matters is the quality of your report and not the actual quantity. I made 12 to 15 reports, as I said earlier, but the quality was good, and that's why I'm here. So you can expect same kinds of, मतलब आप थोड़े से similarities find मेरे पास.
So, sir, what is your CTC around?
युवराज, हाँ यार, हाय युवराज. देखो यार युवराज, स्ट्रेटजी इसमें सिर्फ इतना ही है कि आप क्वालिटी रिसर्च बनाइए. जैसे हमें बताते हैं, अभी एक इवेंट हुआ है सीपीआई इन्फ्लेशन, अगर आपको सबको
No,
पता
no.
होगा, आप सब
Chaitanya, no. He's asking for CTC. He's asking
CTC.
for CTC, right? So let me explain you. Chaitanya is running his own research analyst firm as well, along with us, and Chaitanya is partnered with us. He's already managing more than 15 crore rupees of portfolio. If you want to check, just go to his website. Who's asking this? I guess Yuvraj,
Yes, sir. Okay, thank you.
right?
Yes, sir.
So I guess many of you already did internship. Okay, can you please raise your hand, those who did internships with us? Okay, Sakshi Maurya is here. I don't think so. I need to mention Sakshi Maurya is from, I guess, Lucknow University, if I'm not wrong. You are a professor over there. Sakshi, if you can unmute yourself. Roshni Agarwal also there. Aditya Patnaik, of course. I know Aditya. And I guess Aditya, yeah, so she already mentioned she's already economic scholar and of course earning very good. Or Aditya, I guess you already also got placed in some company, if I remember. Because I received your call also for the background. Yes, Aditya. Yeah. So in which company you placed? All right. So now quickly, let's take some chat questions. Okay, that is done for session. Trying to be okay. Into the looks like World Quant Brain Platform. I'll definitely check this. What exactly is this? So might be a similar one. World Quant. I don't know what exactly World Quant is. Okay. Sure, Aditya, you can call me. Aniket, next step. So next step we'll share with you by Monday. There is no minimum tenure kind of thing. So at least you spend 2 to 3 months. Okay, Sakshi already answered. Python SQL courses. Python SQL courses. I am not currently remember all these. How coding skill will help us in making report. We are not here to train you for preparing report. We are here to convert your report into codes so that you can learn coding out of your own reports.
Sir, can you share some best research report for our reference? Someone is asking.
I'll definitely share it with you. Definitely we'll send you a link from where you can check the perfect report.
Okay, sir.
Yes, if you have any query, you can please unmute yourself and ask. Thank you.
Sir, Debayan here. I
Uh-huh.
just wanted to ask, do we have to start working on projects right from Monday itself?
Yes, definitely. I'll share the link with you
Sure.
by Monday so that you can register and start submitting your report.
Okay, sir. Thank you so much.
Yeah. So yeah, I guess yes, as soon as you get the link, of course, you have to start submitting your reports. There is no charge. Yes, Ankit.
Hello.
Yes, Ankit. Please.
Actually, sir, I have I have good knowledge of the financial equity market and equity derivatives. Sir.
Mhm.
I have every knowledge, but
Mhm.
one thing I'm lagging that I have no knowledge about the SQL and Python.
Mhm.
Now, how can I move forward from here?
Okay, that's why we launched this. So you just submit your research reports, right? Go to analytical skills after submitting your report, and you can learn these coding things from basics from your own reports, right now. So this is what the basic structure of this whole training or talent hunt program.
Should I do it? Should I do it myself?
Yes, of course. Everything is it's a DIY, do it yourself kind of. So submit report, you understand concepts, every financial concepts, right? So
Yeah.
now, but you don't know about any of the coding or analytical skills.
No.
So just go and onto this platform, just submit your report, go to learning skill, understand what concepts are, because it's your report. You understand what text you have submitted. So
Yeah.
we just converting text into a code. That how you can convert all these texts into your coding things. So it makes it easier for you to understand coding.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you. Okay, so if you have any other question or query, please ask.
Sir, please clarify on further communication. There's some misunderstanding in the participants regarding email, Telegram link, and all those things.
Okay, so by Monday we will share it with you, or the registration link will share by Monday, and this Telegram group, I guess by tomorrow we will share it with you, so that you can start with things. Yes, Brinda.
Sir, I'm asking if we get the when we submit the reports, will we get the reviews after submitting our reports, or
Reviews of your report, right?
Yeah, is there any changes we have to made or what learning so that we can better our reports for the next
See,
time?
that's why I just hold on. So everything is automated here, Brinda, right? Once you're submitting your report now, just go to this enhanced analysis, right? Here, it will. So what we recommend after just submitting report, just go to enhanced analysis. It will automatically tells you what are the key priorities. In this report, everything is good, but some medium and low priorities are there. Like timeline specific timeline is unclear, right? So that you can improve all these in your next report.
Okay.
Right now, so no need to reach out to anyone. Because of course we're going to conduct some sessions in which we discuss about various topics or maybe the feature we are launching, right? But from here you can learn from your own reports how much you have learned, how much skills you have enhanced till now. Everything is on your own uh, reports, on your own dashboard. Here you can see. So it's a consistent report submission. So it will show you some up or down once you submit your report.
Okay.
Right now, so it's a totally analytical platform. No need to reach out to anyone. It's everything is with you. Right?
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Yeah. So now let's move on to quickly to some other query.
There is a question from Ankit Sinha.
Mhm.
Yeah, Ankit, can you please unmute yourself?
I engaged as an accountant, but what I found myself that there is no career growth, nor in terms of salary, and I can understand this. Okay.
So let me address this. I think I'll be able to do that. Yeah, Ankit, actually, see, equity research, there is a lot of career growth, especially in India, because if you're an accountant, you will be already knowing that the capital market structure in India is very well rapidly growing. So the ecosystem will need a lot of research analysts. Sure, there is AI, there is technology, but you need to, implement your mind, apply your mind on all of this. AI will not be able to interpret the right data and the right, facts and figures and put it on a research. You will be needed as a research analyst.
Ankit, I guess you are so much, you are not in, you are not getting a good guidance. What I recommend in this whole concept now, of course, yeah, many things are happening, automation, AI, and other stuffs, but still, lots and lots of things are there. If you can unmute yourself, and you can, because I definitely wanted to interact with you.
Sir, can you recommend a good financial modeling course?
No.
Okay.
Absolutely no, yeah. Because I don't think so ki anyone currently is providing financial modeling. Yeah, you can find all these for free right now. So I don't think so financial modeling is the good to start with. Pulkit. You have to start some, even much more advanced things. Financial modeling is old school now. Financial modeling बच्चे कर रहे हैं यार आजकल.
Excuse me, sir. Am I audible?
Yes, sir. Please.
So, sir, I want to know the difference between investment banker and the equity research analyst.
Investment banker and equity research analyst.
Yes.
Okay. So what's your background? First, tell me this.
So I'm an accountant in the CA firm.
Mm-hmm.
So I'm practicing since 4 years. So
Okay. And of course, you have, of course, your good skills with
yes, sir. I'm also
finance.
pursuing MBA finance actually.
Sorry, MBA finance.
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay. And so you are confused with investment banking or equity analyst, or you just please you just asking randomly for this?
So actually confused with that. If actually I want to go with investment banking analyst and all things,
Huh.
so I have to read or I have to perform the equity analyst things first, then we are going there, or we can directly pursuing that uh, thing or that
Yeah,
sector.
it depends. It depends because, of course, within this industry, we have many other, you know, segments or focuses. Right now, investment banking is there, quant analysis, equity analyst, technical analyst, right? Some M&A analyst, merger and acquisitions, and you can also say some core finance or money market are there, commodities and many others, bonds, you just name it. So now you asking me about, because as far as I know, as far as I have my experience, investment banking, I would say, is a part of equity analyst. So let's say if you join any company, if you, of course, what I hope you understand what investment banker do,
Yes, yes.
right now. So what exactly the investment banker do? It helps, company to raise funds, more funds. It might be merger acquisition, it might be IPOs, it might be debt offering, it might be any of the restructuring deals,
Exactly.
right? And
Yes.
equity analysts, what equity analysts do, they do equity analysis for majorly for public listed companies.
Okay.
Right? So if you have to decide first, because I guess some certifications are there for investment bankers. Some certifications. I'm not sure of it, but yes, for equity analysts, of course, we have separate equity analyst and many other analyst certifications are there. For investment banking, we have different certifications, especially the NISM and this other institutions.
Okay, sir.
Right now, so it's up to you whether you want to start, but I recommend to start with equity analysis, because after all, you have to do all these things in your investment banking.
Okay, sir.
Yes, please. Please go ahead, Pragya.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Pragya, if you can unmute yourself and ask. Yes, we make trading algorithms for HNIs, HFT, MFT, and NFT. High frequency trading algos, medium frequency, and low frequency trading modules. If you need, we'll provide it to you. Or if you build, then we can sell your models to companies. Yes, Pragya, if you can.
Hello.
Yes, Pragya.
Am I audible, sir?
Yes, yes. Yep. You're audible. Clearly.
Sir, actually, I have a background in, I have an experience in public sector bank for 3 years, which was a regional rural bank. And then I took a career break for preparation of Indian Economic Services and RBI DEPR exam or other such exams. But unfortunately, I could not clear. And then I got myself enrolled in the executive program in management from IIF. But now I feel that with the time I should get myself involved in some job, or I shall move ahead in my career. So I chose the risk management as one of the options, and I am exploring right now, and I'm not able to find such opportunity for myself.
Okay.
So I already have experience for 3 years, and I already drawn a salary of around 8 to 9 lakhs per annum. But after investing 3 months in this internship or learning opportunity, I see it as a good opportunity. But after that, also you mentioned that PPO or initial placement will be of 5 to 6 lakhs. So I don't think that it would be really competitive. So could you suggest me some more skills that I can add and then progress fast?
See, of course, you can go ahead with some advanced analytical skills like coding might be, right? Because coding as well as AI, the basics. Because many companies now providing all these opportunities. So I also recommend, because you already did your, you also do have your experience with, some banking. It's a banking experience, right? So many other private banks also looking for, some in the especially in the compliance as well as risk management roles right now. So what I recommend you, enhance your skills, some more certifications, right? If possible, then go ahead with, you can go ahead with the FRM or CFA,
Okay.
right? Once you get this, then definitely you have your experience, you have your certification with you, and the companies are looking for you.
So, but these two options which you mentioned, I had explored for these options, but they are quite costly. So I cannot afford those at present. So do you have any other suggestions for me that could be quite pocket friendly and I can upskill myself?
So you can go with, if you can check NISM, NISM one module is there, NISM compliance, right? I don't know exactly what the name, what exactly the series of this. So just go and check NISM compliance module. So if you totally focusing on compliance, because of course compliance is the risk management, because every broking company, they have their own broking as well as banking, they have their own compliance management system, which we basically compliance management system, and RMS basically risk management system, in which they manage clients' portfolio risk. So it's only 15 to 1500 or maybe 2000 or 2500 rupees exam. So you can go ahead, give this exam, you have your experience, and approach these companies.
Okay, sir. So, and this opportunity, how do you think that this internship will be helpful for me or not?
See, this internship, see, let me tell you, for last 3.5 years, right? We were doing this for 3.5 years, and we managed to train more than 2500 interns. And you can just go to our LinkedIn profiles and LinkedIn page. More than 70% currently placed in very good companies, and the company names are S&P, Goldman Sachs, and I would say Morgan Stanley, and some big financial analytical companies. And we did not assist any of them. They managed to get all these jobs on their own, what they have learned during this internship.
Okay, so apart from doing this internship, if I get myself skilled, like I have already started learning SQL, Python by my own, and apart from doing this, I can join this internship as well as the NISM certification, which you said, and all these combinedly would definitely help me, right?
Exactly. So I'm not just saying, you just please go to your LinkedIn, type PredictRAM and people. If you find anyone currently working, of course, they mentioned that they currently working, directly get in touch with them and ask them what they did with during this internship.
All right, sir. Thank you so much, sir.
Right now? Yeah. So yeah, go ahead, please, if you can ask. Minimum tenure. There is no minimum tenure, Nehal. Please ask your questions.
Hello.
Yes, Sachin.
Yes, sir. I have a question about this. In this internship, so you can You are saying you will teach me how to make reports.
Sachin, your voice is not perfectly.
Hello.
Yes, Sachin. Yeah.
So, sir, you will teach how to make research reports, equity research reports. You will teach or not?
See, I don't think so. What's your background, Sachin?
Sir, मेरा MBA in finance है.
MBA finance.
plus MBA in finance.
BCom plus
अभी
MBA
मैंने
finance.
रिसर्च एनालिस्ट का हाँ रिसर्च एनालिस्ट का सर्टिफिकेशन एग्जाम किया था क्लियर मैंने.
अच्छा, आपने कहाँ पे किया था?
So मेरा क्वेश्चन मैंने इंदौर से किया था सर.
इंदौर से किया. Okay. So you need a training for submitting research report.
या सर मेरे को यही पूछना था कि कैसे एक रिसर्च रिपोर्ट को कैसे बनाया जाए, क्योंकि इससे पहले मैंने आज तक कोई भी रिसर्च रिपोर्ट बनाई नहीं है. तो मेरा यही डाउट है कि क्या आप थोड़ा सा टीच करेंगे कि हाउ टू मेक रिसर्च रिपोर्ट्स कैसे बनाना है, या फिर इंडस्ट्री में कौन कौन सी चीजें ऐसी हैं.
See, we are not going to train you for submitting research reports. First thing, right? Second thing, आप जैसी भी research report submit कर रहे हो, just do it. That is why we build this platform. This is why we mentioned skill analysis mention कर किया है हमने, and enhanced skills, right? Enhanced analytics. Once you submit your research report, just go to your own research report.
ओके सर, तो यू आर सेइंग हम रिसर्च रिपोर्ट बनाकर और प्लेटफॉर्म पर सबमिट करेंगे, देन आप उसको रिव्यू करके और उसमें से जो भी प्रॉब्लम्स है उसको एक्सट्रैक्ट करने की कोशिश करेंगे और बताने की कोशिश करेंगे कि क्या क्या प्रॉब्लम्स इसमें है कि हमें करेक्ट करना है.
Correct. You don't require us to teach you to submit your reports. Right now, you can just submit. जैसी भी report आप submit कर सकते हो, submit it. It will tell you कि हाँ, these are the problems. उससे next report में you just improve.
इसके बाद में एक क्वेश्चन.
हाँ.
ओके. हाँ, इसके एक और क्वेश्चन था मेरा कि जो SQL के बारे में आप बात कर रहे थे, तो SQL की कोई आप सजेस्ट कर सकते हैं ताकि जिससे मैं SQL को सीख सकूं.
So SQL के लिए अभी तो मुझे ऐसा कोई दिखाई नहीं दे रहा that कि but yes, definitely because हम every week we'll connect again and we'll discuss.
Okay, sir. ये means you are saying that हम लोग रिसर्च रिपोर्ट बनाना नकल से करते रहेंगे और आप उसमें से जो प्रॉब्लम्स है उनको एक्सट्रैक्ट करके हम प्रॉब्लम्स जो है वो हमको बताते रहेंगे कि आप ये प्रॉब्लम यहाँ पर कर रहे हो, ताकि अगली बार ऐसी मिस्टेक्स ना हो और कोई अच्छी रिपोर्ट्स हम बनाकर सबमिट करेंगे, जिससे कि एक्सपीरियंस हमारा बढ़ेगा और देन इसके बाद में प्लेसमेंट वगैरह की जो तैयारी होगी.
Correct. Right. No one going to spend time training you here. Do it yourself. PredictRAM will sell it to someone else and get money out of it. Yes, definitely. Yes, Akash, you are perfectly correct. And yeah. If you have any other query, please ask.